Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the CapCut video editing to make cinematic reels. So if you want your videos to look like a real movie scene, here in this tutorial, I'll show you the A to Z process of cinematic video editing in CapCut. And it's perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So what you need to do first is just import your clips into CapCut. So in here, I'm going to edit this videos right here, for example, and then you can just go to the filter options. And in here on filter, you can click on a search and search for the green orange filter. Apply it to your clips and adjust the intensity to how you like it. So I'm going to go with 85, and now you can go to adjust and follow this adjustment. So for the brightness, I'm going to increase it to 5, contrast increase it to 10, and the saturation 15, brilliance negative 10, and on the highlight I'm going to lower it to negative 30. And for the shadow, you can adjust it to how you like it. I'm going to increase it a little bit to around 8. And in here, temperature, I'm going to increase it to 15. And the hue, negative 10. And last one, you can just add some fade effect in here. I'm going to go with 18. You can hit on a check icon, and then you can preview the result first like this. So that will be it. So whether you are a beginner or want to level up your editing skill, this cinematic reels tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know from start to finish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, reel hacks, and creative editing ideas. And also, don't forget to click on the thanks button below. Bye!